How to make playlist on Amazon Music. Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's episode I'll be showing you the steps on how to make Amazon Music playlist. In order to make a playlist on Amazon Music, first of all you need to log in. For that, open up a browser and on the web address bar type in www.amazon.com. After you're logged into your account, you'll be able to see this kind of interface. Once you're on the home page, you can see in the left hand side bar there is an option as all or try bar. I can click on it. So after that, you'll be able to see on the other half of your screen Amazon Music and all that. Click on Amazon Music. Now, in order to access your Amazon Music playlist, you need to make sure that you have an Amazon Music subscription, and only then you'll be able to make a playlist on Amazon Music. Right over here, you'll be able to find your account and if you have any. So click on it or access the account, and that is going to direct you to the other interface. And on the Amazon Music page, you'll be able to find playlist in the upper left corner. Click on it that you can create a playlist. So what you need to do is once you've accessed your account, you'll need to click on the plus icon located next to music, and that is how you're gonna add music to your playlist. Now go on adding the music that you wish to add it as your playlist. After adding the song to your desired playlist, click on the save button, and that is going to save your playlist. In this way, you can create a playlist on Amazon Music. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.